Let's do an activity called Magic Box. It will explain to you the idea of multiple layers, which is incredibly important, and also will explain how to use some shapes. Let's click on this, go to the box, and let's draw this box. You can use this box, and you may want to double click on it or just click on it and make a copy. Why? Because only this way you can have 100% copy. Next thing you need to do is to draw a box. We have two walls, which is good, but it's not enough. Let's go ahead and take this line chain shape. Put the cursor here, click and drag. Every time you unclick and then click again, you can change the direction. Notice the direction, and then again, but you need to connect. When you connect, by default it will have the same fill, and you need to double click to stop drawing the line. Now this is what we need to do now. Next thing, you need to complete the box. In this case, let's click on this wall and make it double. Now let's put this wall here. Does it make sense now? No, it doesn't. That's why we need to use this feature. Click on this, and it will go to the background. It will go and will go to another layer. Next thing, we need to combine two walls. Let's click on this one, then press Ctrl and click on the other one. Now you can move two walls together, which is good. The same thing, let's do the same thing with the other two walls. This one and this one. Now they become one thing. Okay. Next we go to this browser, which is called Action Browser. Sorry, this object browser. I'm sorry. And what you need to do here is send the first two shapes, which is this and this, and you might want to first lock them. You go shape 1 and you lock them. You go to this menu and lock them. This case you cannot move them, they will stay, and then you go to this two and lock them too. This case you cannot move anything, it becomes unmovable. Now here is the very important thing. There are 4 layers: top layer, middle layer, and the bottom layer. Now we need to put these two shapes to the bottom layer, and these two shapes to the top layer. In this case, we can put things inside a box, and it will create an illusion that box is magic. And let's do that. Let's have a lot of pictures of bunnies. I suggest that you save several pictures of bunnies from the internet, but don't copy and paste. Save them as a GIF file and then insert, and then that's what's happening. You take bunny, put it in the magical box, another bunny, and this bunny will go. Now, the first bunny you put will go back first, will go out first. Sorry, the last one will go out first. And let's take this one, and this one, and this one. So they all are in the box, and they feel fine. And every time you move them, you just click and they will go out from the box, This little bunny. Now, if you put this one first and this one second, and the little bunny, it will go out first. Sometimes I have to find the bunny. Okay, the bunny was there, just was hiding behind the bigger bunny. Okay, I think it's a fun activity, and it's will help kids understand many things. You can use and reuse this box to introduce new things, introduce new ideas. It will be especially interesting when you stand by the board and remove all the bunnies or other things from the box.